How to appear offline on Threads. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Threads and want to appear offline, then first of all, open your Threads application or website on your device and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Inside your profile page, go to the upper right corner and tap the menu button, and on the next page, click on Privacy. Now select Online Status. Select No One under Who Can See You Online. And once you choose No One, you'll be able to turn off your online status. From now on, other users won't be able to see when you're online, and you won't see their status as well. So that is how you can easily appear offline on Threads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.